Natin ang final result po nitong jumping event natin. 4 and 7 4 and 6. 4'8"? 4 feet and 8 inches po ang
point system din niya. Surutin to yung damo.
So sino ang nag-first po?
Sir, ang first Ballesteros.
Yes, Ballesteros.
Second,
Lasam.
No. Sorry.
Lakapan. Let's do over it. Dahil naka-internet po tayo. First is
Ballesteros, sir.
Anong event ito? Sir, sis?
High jump.
And they cross the bar at anong height po? 4.7. Okay, thank you. And the final result po is
Lakapan North.
First, we got Ballesteros. Second is Lakapan North. Okay, ulitin po natin Lakapan North. And third is Lasam West. Lasam West. Fourth is Rizal. Okay, so first Ballesteros, second Lakapan North, third Lasam South, Lasam West, and then fourth is Rizal. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
May pahabol pa, sir.
Ano?
May ano pa namin yung record, 6
So, yung top 4 muna yung nabanggit po natin. Okay, maraming salamat po.